Okay, welcome to the Gentleman's Motor Racing team, and today we're auto testing, and I'm using the MX-5.
That one on that side.
Through that one.
Through that one.
Through that one.
Down.
Go
through,
in.
Along to the bottom.
What are you trying to work out?
If you cut
Angles
this,
and maths.
there's lots of curbage. So basically, if you come from that gate there and cut the corner and cut the curbs, you're going to have
So you're going
wide.
What wide in,
or in a
tight out.
or an aggressive
line,
handbrake.
there's also a line where you're going to understeer.
Yeah.
So you've got to turn a bit earlier.
And what I've found in the past as well, you work out a really good line, and if nobody else goes on it, you end up going on all the crap.
Yeah.
Do you know? You go, why isn't everyone else doing the good line?
He's driving on like
That's right. So it's a compromise, isn't it?
You're recording. Sorry, Kev.
That's all right. I can beep it out.
Beep that bit out.
What did you say?
I won't say it again. I said
Go
beep.
Completely cocked that up. Can't believe it. Literally on my first run, I went the wrong way. Never mind. Okay, Dad's turn. Do you see where I went wrong? Right from the start. Sorry? Oh, I know, right from the start, wasn't it?
I didn't see. They just said, Kev's going wrong.
Yeah, couldn't believe it. Okay, so now Dad's going to have a go. Hopefully he'll do it right. But due to COVID-19 regulations with Motorsport UK, we have to sanitise the car. So I'm going to wipe down. Pretty much, I reckon that's got to be it, isn't it? Over the seat belt. Just make sure that's nice and dry before you go mad. Okay. Right. Is that important? What's that? 13mm socket? Could be worse, could be a nut.
It could be a nut, yeah. I was like, oh, that's not a wheel nut, is it?
How much gravel do you reckon is going to come out the back of your car?
We'll wait and see. Could be fun. So if you want your driveway doing, follow me.
Yeah, that's it. much for sponsoring the podium.
Oh, thank you. That's all right.
Go on then, give us a little spiel. What's the company all about?
Jarron Bathrooms is a bathroom showroom and supplier of all your bathroom needs.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Well, I've just done my second run. I didn't have time to put the camera on. And I know where I was going, which is really good, but I did hit a cone, so that's plus 5 seconds on my time. Never mind. Lining up ready for run 3. Thank you very much. Whoa, what are you doing? What are we doing?
Some tactical advantages there.
Joe, getting a proper line up.
Yeah, we're straight on now, aren't we?
Mate, you know what you're doing, don't you?
Know what I'm doing?
No, you know what you do. You know what you're doing. You know what you're doing. No, you know what you're doing. What's your number, sir?
57, mate.
Thank you very much. Mate, I think you might be out of box. Yeah, sorry about that. You know that lining up thing?
Yeah.
You need to do that in the box as well.
Yeah.
I'm afraid you're out of the box. Sorry about that. I think it's time to go back to school, have a look at the stop box, see how it works, and maybe shave some time off our runs. So the stop box is made up of 4 cones, and for safety reasons, you have to bring your car to a complete stop within those 4 cones. The timing lights are actually just inside the first set of cones, so all you need to do is break that light and your time will stop. So here's a top tip for you. The problem with that technique is you are slowing down before you finish. So what you need to do is slow down inside the stop box. Now the disadvantage of that is if you overcook it, you're going to come out the other side. And of course, if any of your car goes outside of the stop box or you don't come to a complete stop within the stop box, you're going to get 10 seconds added to your time. Ready when you are. How's the Class 3 battle going today?
Not very well for me, I think.
Why not?
I've just done the wrong test.
Oh, well, so have I. Yeah, everyone does a wrong test, that doesn't matter.
But this seems to be where it's at today in Class 3.
Do you know where you're going though?
Yeah.
You do now?
Yeah.
That's alright then. There's your competitor, look. Is there anyone else in Class 3 today for you?
I think there's quite a few, this one, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, of course the Micra's in Class 3.
A few Fiestas here as well.
Oh, it's a big class now, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know why? Because it's the best looking cup out of all of them.
Is it?
Yeah, my name's on it.
Yeah.
From a few years back. Honestly, it's like the best cup in the whole category.
Right, I'll have to have that then.
Mate, how's the Micra going?
She's mighty. She's the mighty no money micro. She's doing all right.
Yeah, low budget racing is the future.
That's it. You know it.
What are you doing in this car?
Oh, I just saw it on the side. It looked like it needed a run, so I
Just
thought
take for a rag.
for a ride. The Wally left the keys in the ignition, so you know.
Got to do it.
Yeah, had to be done.
Okay, this is my 5th run. Might just try and drive this one sensibly. Famous last words.
That's +5. So much for taking it easy.
Sir. Oh, what a good day of motorsport though. Seriously, you cannot beat auto testing for value for money. 20 quid that cost me to do this. Right, see you next time.
When I do I struggle that clear. But
Didn't touch the wheel whatsoever.
no, that's my main worry. Because the wheels are replaceable.
Right,
It's all when you knock out the front. If you have,
it's not bending wishbones and stuff.
I didn't even, it was completely flat when you reversed off. It wasn't like it went, or,
No.
you know.
But this is cheap split. So. Glad it wasn't mine. Snippers, eh?
You'd rather have been yours, to be honest.
Yeah,
no,
if you want to see the damage curve, it starts from here.
Oh,
But it's only chop strand, so it's basically we can remold that. So
you can rebuild it.
yeah, you can rebuild it with biax or something like that. So use something a bit more stronger. And like this is all intact. So the actual splitter is good. And then it's just taken, because of the Tiger Seal, it's taken the chop strand out.
Time for an upgrade then.
Time for Exceeds front end, isn't it, mate? That's about £2.5
Yeah, I ain't got one of them anymore.
How you feeling right now, mate?
Don't know, as long as I'm still beating him, I suppose it's alright, isn't it? I don't think I am.
Not on that run.